So here's the situation. It's only 60 degrees outside. The ocean is right down there, and you can see it's nice and cloudy. We're getting up to 200 psi. Now, all cars are different, especially with the computers controlling them and variable displacement. But I did notice on this one, instead of the 21 fin per inch condenser, they do have something that appears to be anywhere from, I think it's not as bad as 12 fins per inch, but it's more like 14 fins instead of 21. Cheaper aftermarket, but usually on a cold day, I don't see a condenser aftermarket manufactured that rad on a 60-degree day with no sun load drive the high side pressure up that high. There are cars that the actual software forces it up this high, and this one, I don't get enough of these RDX, but I didn't think it was this high. This is a little unusual. Did the same thing over on this one here. They got another really cheap condenser, and I know this one had 21 fins per inch, and this one only has 14 fin per inch too. Another really cheap one. And this is the one they're actually having actuator door problems. It's coming out 114 degrees. So he's gonna send it to the dealer to have them reprogram it. I have my auto with me, but I just don't have time to do it. Plus, for him to get the approval for the insurance company, for me to charge them an hour for me to hook up my auto and do it at $219 mechanical labor rate instead of body shop. They want a body shop labor report, but they ain't gonna get that. So I don't have time to do it. Too much work. See you guys later. But you know, these really cheap aftermarket condensers, 12, 14 fins per inch, yeah, right.